Hey guys, how are you? I know it's been a long time since I've actually recorded a video, but I've decided to get back into it while I have some free time. So I'm gonna play the Escape School Obby, and yeah, let's get into it. Hi, I'm Max, and I'm gonna help you escape. We need to pull a lever to open this laser door. Well, I see that there's a wire here, so I think I should pull this. Yeah, okay, cool. I can get through it, yeah. Oh, geez, that's lava. Oh, are these diamonds? Wow. Wow, look, there is lava here. Be careful. Geez, you have a creepy face on, don't you? Well, let's get through. Have you seen my suit, by the way? Like, this is really cool. Jumping, jumping. Is it just me, or do like these paths look like sandwiches or like cake slices? Oh, God. Nope, nope. Doog. Doog. Oh my God. Love these funny usernames. Acid? Where did this come from? Yeah, where did this come from? This school is creepy. Jeez. Trying not to step in the acid. School is like acid, I swear. Caution, wet floor? Really? Okay, now there's lasers? You kidding me? Okay, yeah, that's definitely lasers. Well, at least I got past and onto that checkpoint. Jumpy. Did they have to... They couldn't have made them in like those spy movies where like the lasers are red. They had to make them bright blue. So vibrant. I hate lasers. Okay, cool. We got past it. Wow. Stationary. Wow. Art class. Is looking messy. Well, get onto the top door over there. Can I just say that your face is creepy as hell, but that afro is like a weave too. Like, okay, yeah, I can't stand the look of you anymore. Let's just walk over this pencil. What even is this? Is this like a sharpener or something? Wait, no, this is a sharpener. I'm so confused. Can you comment down below what you think that red thing over there is? Wow, no promo for Dennis. Okay. Really, more promos? Okay. Is there like... Okay. So we're going this way. The door is locked. Me must hide somewhere before the teachers find us in here. Do you mean we, sir? Oh. God, that doesn't look like a locked door. The hell? Door wasn't locked at all. Where do I hide? God. In a locker? I'd rather hide in a locker than anything. Honestly. God, there's security cameras. In the fridge? These lockers? Oh, the fridge is open. Oh, I actually did it. Let's hide in this fridge while the teachers are on break. You mean fridge? Bro, your spelling is horrible. Horrible. 1 liter of milk. That is one big carton. Jeez, I feel very unsafe here. There's a ladder up with a milk carton? Jeez. That's a big chicken. What does this say? Golala? Gala. Gola. Goala. Cola. Gola. Cola. Okay, oh. Okay, whatever. Then, Gola Cola. Well, let's look at this huge chicken. Oh, really? I'm very bad at this. I'd be a horrible spy. God, okay. Cheese, Some moldy looking cheese. More milk? How much milk do they need? How old does this sandwich look? Comment that in the comment section. More ladders of milk. Oh, geez. 1970. Gee, oh god, no. Ew. Keith's peanut butter crunchy. Why is peanut butter crunchy? The hell? Oh, no. I had the checkpoint, didn't I? Okay, yeah. I need to not slip through that. Oh. Okay then. Let's just come back onto the sandwich. Climb up the sandwich. Climb up the milk. The expired milk. Now I'm just going to jump across here, because over there just doesn't seem very safe to me. Now let's go. Ew. Who spilt something? Ketchup bottles. Oh, no. Ketchup, mustard, barbecue. More ketchup. And I think that's pickle juice. Ew, ew, ew. Oh, that's gum. That's definitely gum. Oh, I don't like touching that at all. Jeez. My god. Oh, there's a s'more over there. Never even realized. Oh, this gum looks horrible. I don't want to die on this, because I don't want to re-walk this. I don't even want to relive it, honestly. Oh no, jumping over that. Hell no. Jump onto checkpoint. Eggs. Oh, that one's burnt. Who put the burnt egg back in? And why are these eggshells so sharp? I'm walking thin air. Whatever. Oh wait, no, I'm on. Never mind. I was on the little thing. Where do I go? That way? That way? I'm gonna go this way. On like whatever this vent thing is. Okay, the fridge is leaking. And just saying, we went in that tiny fridge. How's it so big now? And how are we so small? So many letters. Oh, God. Oh, that thing moves. Oh, hell no. Okay, I guess we escaped the fridge. Give me that checkpoint. Wow, that is one giant hole. This maths book has gave us numbers to jump on. Okay. Damn, that is a huge hole. Is it bad that I kind of want to get on it? Hey, these aren't numbers. Ow. Oh, no, never mind. Jeez. Guess that was a big hole. Damn. Okay, I gotta try and finish this. These are symbols. One number, number 4, then equals 71. Okay then. Watch out for that giant duck and apple boulders. Yeah, this is one crazy school. Oh my god. That is terrifying. I'm just gonna run up the side. That's a big duck. Rubby ducky. Oh no. My god. It's one big ass duck. Gonna get demonetized now. Jeez. Okay. God. One more apple? Just to see it roll down? Oh no, it's duck and an apple. Okay, whatever. Checkpoint. We got to go over this PE course. Do you mean we have to? The coach has coated the floor with poisonous substance. That looks like lava, man. You crazy. I guess you are guiding me out of this creepy ass school, so I guess I will not insult you too much, sir. Checkpoint. Why are there tires in here? Just saying, when I have PE class, there is no such thing as tires or any of this obstacle stuff. It's more exercise than anything. Oh. Well. Well then. Okay. God, I'd be horrible at gymnastics and obstacle courses. Climb these ladders. Okay. God, I would so fail this. Oh. I don't want to redo that. No. No. Why am I dying? Oh. Okay then. Do I really have to go over those ladders again? Oh no. I have to do this whole thing again? Okay, I gotta quickly do this. Quickly. Quickly. Climbing up the ladders. Onto the checkpoint. Hurdles. I hate hurdles. I've never actually done them, but they look hard. Is this a rock wall? Okay, I gotta quickly go up this colourful rock wall. Rock climbing? I didn't know any school that would have rock climbing. Where do I go now? Oh, down here. Let's go. One of these lockers has a secret passageway. Any of you? I'm just gonna go with all the bottom ones first. Well, I wonder if it's that one. They made it pretty obvious, didn't they? Let me in it. Really? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, finally. Oh, really? Like, seriously? As soon as I got through. The struggle, man. Really? God, I suck. Jumpy. And I really can't survive this. I would really fail in PE class if this was the case. Okay. Going to the lockers. What type of school boards up every door? Again! For God's sake! I can just never get it right, can I? Okay, at least I did that one in one try this time. Ugh. Okay. Finally, I nearly fell down again. Whoa, how have we shrunk? We are inside the giant locker. Let's find a way out. Why did we even go inside the locker in the first place? Why is there so much gum? How old is this donut? And why is there 3 cans? One giant ass ruler, two big books, 2 more big books, more gum with, I think, straws. Wow, save the turtles. So guys, I think this will have to be a 2-part series too. So, you know, I will have to end this soon. I just got a checkpoint. Yeah. Did I press it? I don't know. Okay, darts. Who has a dartboard in their locker? Doritos. These Doritos do not look like they're having the best time in the world. Oh my god. I think I just died from height damage. From full damage. Okay, so we'll get to this next guy, and then I think I'll end the video. Never mind, honestly. So, I think that I'll finish it here. I'll see you guys in the next part. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye!